Class 5, Subject EVS Environmental Studies, Lesson 10, Residences. I'm reading out from page number 124. Please keep the textbooks with you so it will be easier to do the exercises that is provided in your textbooks. It will be easier for you to understand too. Now, you might have heard that home is the first school and mother is the first teacher. Early man protected himself against sunlight, rain, wind and wild animals by living in the caves and bushes. Hence they were called the early shelters of mankind. Home became a need as man civilized. Civilized means when we started learning the norms of the society. Norms of the society means how we have to live, or the terms that the society tells us that we have to follow. You have to respect your elders, like this, some things that makes us a community. It is called civilization, or we are becoming more civilized. Constructions of the residences started from independent houses and got transformed to community houses. I'll explain to you what community houses are. Before that, there is one exercise in page number 124. Look at the pictures given below. You have learned about the construction of these houses in the previous class. Write the materials required to build a house given in the picture in the space provided. The first picture is you're going to write about the building materials. What are the materials that are used to build that house? The first one is the hut. They've given building materials. 3 lines are given. Please write down. Wood. Some huts are built with snow also. Ice, stone, grass, palm leaves, branches, hides, fabrics and or mud. Then comes the bungalow. Sand, aggregates, bricks, reinforcement steel bars, flooring tiles, paints. You can pause the video and write down the names in the space provided in page number 125. And houses also, it is almost the same. Okay, sand, aggregates, bricks, reinforcement steel bars, flooring tiles, paints. So that comes to the concept called residences. People live in various types of houses such as hut, house with tilled roof and houses with concrete terrace. Many families in villages or towns are living in houses constructed side by side in a locality. These are called residences. That comes to our one new concept called community housing. What is community housing? Facilities are rarely available in the areas where people build their houses. Nowadays, community housing projects have started to meet the needs and demands of the people due to overpopulation. Following pictures that are the examples of community housing. Community is nothing but when group of people, they are living together, forms a community. So community houses mean many families living together in a single apartment. Such things are called the community housing. Next leads to the objectives of community houses. Why do we build community houses? To provide all the facilities to the houses which are required by the families. Providing good roads, transportation facilities, electrifications, water supplies and garbage disposal is a planned way. Constructing parks, hospitals, etc. for the public needs. Connecting community houses to the regional main roads. So these are some of the objectives of why we are building the community houses. Facilities available in community houses are, first, if you begin with essentials of life. In the center, as you can see, the apartment. So if you go down, it's essentials of life. What are the important essentials of life? Vegetable stalls, provision store, electricity, garbage disposal, water supply. These are something that we need every day. Then if you move to your right, it is health and sanitation. Underground drainage, health center, gym, playground, toilets. These are the important things that we need in our life. Next is transportation. Street lights, roads, parking facilities, and safety for your vehicles is also important, isn't it? So transportation comes into work there. The last one is entertainment and cultural programs. We just cannot live a same life every day. We need entertainment and we need different programs like film talkies or park, community hall, drama theaters. These are for entertainment purpose, which can help you keep entertained in your day-to-day life. Usually, community housing projects are implemented by in suitable places in villages and cities. The government built the community houses in villages. The government has formed separate housing board for the constructions of houses in the cities. Many problems arise during constructions of the houses in villages or cities. As you can see the picture on your screen as well as in your textbook, first is garbage disposal. If the garbage disposal is not proper, everything will get accumulated very closer to the place where they are living, and all the germs and mosquitoes will start growing in plenty in number and create a lot of problem. And drainage system and water facilities, these three pictures stand for all these three reasons which are a community housing can face a problem. So housing problem in urban areas means city areas. No underground drainage system. There's no proper underground drainage system is one problem that is given by the textbook. Garbage disposal problem. Sometimes these garbage people, whoever has to pick up the garbage from your houses, they don't turn up for 2 days or 3 days, then your garbage starts stinking. So that problem is there. Frequent fire accident in multi-story buildings. If you're irresponsible, there is a frequent fire accidents which happens in the multi-story buildings. Okay. And what are the other problems that can be faced by the urban areas? Water problem. Okay, the availability of drinking water is a problem nowadays that everybody is facing. So moving on, housing problem in rural areas. Rural areas can be in the villages. Okay, so first reason is no bathrooms and toilet facility. This is becoming a big problem nowadays. No proper electrifications. Proper electricity supply is not there. Lack of pure drinking water supply. Roads not suitable for transportation of vehicles. No underground drainage facilities. Okay, so these are some of the problems. Housing features of the best city or the village. Proper ventilation and light. Then rainwater harvesting system from the roof of each house and its storage. It is also an important thing. Electricity by solar energy so that the energy is not wasted. Closed underground drainage system so that it does not stink. Proper system for garbage disposal and preparation of manure from garbage. These are the many features that are important for a best city or a village. So moving on, a good house can provide health, happiness and peace for the family members and their neighbors. Okay, so houses with the best facilities lead to good health. This is something which is important. The lesson residences. So I hope you understood this lesson and do the exercises and the activities in the textbook. Stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself and keep learning, children.